Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got some new antenna from Foxeer. We have Lollipop 4 and Lollipop 4 Plus. Now before I begin this video, I would like to clarify that this video isn't sponsored by Foxeer in any means. And that being said, let's move on to the video. Now let's talk about the various kind of connectors which we can get with this antenna. We have SMA, we have RP SMA, we have MMCX, we have MMCX 90 degree, we have SMA 90 degree, and then we have UFL. And along with that, we also have some length variation. We have 15 centimeter ones, then we have 8 to 6 centimeter ones, and then we have these shortest, which are these stubby. So if you have a specific need, then Foxeer has made sure that they have that kind of antenna. Now let's talk about some unique things about these antenna. The first thing is that they are using a different kind of SMA connector. So this is not your regular SMA connector. They are using a special kind of salt coating on these SMA connector. So this will gonna prevent this SMA from getting any kind of oxidation. In case if you don't know, this connector is made up of metal, and if you're living in a moisture or environment which is having a lot of humid air, then like over time you will gonna develop some corrosion, and that will gonna reduce the life of this antenna significantly. So in order to prevent that, Foxeer has made sure that they're using the special SMA. And one more thing which they're doing is that they are using some gold plating over the antenna filament. So this is a really nice touch up. This will gonna increase the efficiency of this antenna by a lot. And like when you buy some cheap antenna, you don't get this special kind of SMA, and also you don't get the gold plating which is being done inside these two antennas. Let's talk about the Lollipop 4 Plus. Now it will be a bit hard to show because I don't have it over here. I have it installed on my daily driver, and that is Skyzone Cobra X V2. And here you can see the antenna. So they are pretty long. These are 15 centimeter one and SMA connectors. So you can see they are pretty long, and that's the reason why I can't show you, because I've installed them and like I made this unique kind of shape. So I don't just want to disturb that. And I have been using these antennas for almost a month. So this is not like I just got them and I did a review. I've been using them since a month. So these antennas are really nice. Talking about the difference, the Lollipop 4 Plus is a PCB antenna, while the normal Lollipop 4 is a traditional kind of antenna where it uses a copper element inside it. Now PCB is something different. It is a printed circuit board, and with PCB antenna you get a much better quality, and like there is a less chance of you getting a damaged or like a faulty antenna. And there's also one more thing which I like about the Lollipop 4 Plus is that Lollipop 4 Plus has a printed circuit board which is unique for every connector type. So if I try to explain it in simpler words, if you're gonna take two Lollipop 4 Plus and you're gonna keep them side by side, the one let's take the one is UFL, another one is SMA. As we know, the SMA connector will be much thicker while the UFL one will be much thinner. So there will be a variation in resistance, and like if they're gonna make an antenna around UFL, it will not gonna work with SMA. And if you're gonna make antenna around SMA, that will not gonna work with UFL. So how do you fix this? Well, they made a coil or like the printed circuit board which is unique for every kind of antenna connector. So if you're gonna take two antenna, that both of them being Lollipop 4 Plus but having a different connector, and if you're gonna take out the coil of those two antenna, they will be different, because Foxeer has made sure that they have tuned each and every antenna along with the connector which they are using. So this is something new and unique which no other brand is doing. That's it for today. I hope you guys like this. In case this video was really helpful for you, please consider subscribing to this channel. It really helps me a lot. Thank you guys.